Farming is like raising kids. You can feed them, you can protect them, do everything right, and they still catch a cold. Remember, guys, you are dealing with living things, weather, bugs, soil, and you can't 100% control all those things. So, as you can see, guys, today I'm in this garden of ours. It's been long, guys. I haven't been posting the videos of this garden. This is an update of our butternut garden. We are facing some challenges here at my place. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa, and Mukunda of Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Here on She Africa, we share different content, mostly farming, homesteading, the village life, African living. That's what we do here on She Africa. Please subscribe so that you can be part of She Africa YouTube channel family. So today I'm here to show you guys that farming is not always perfect. Sometimes it can be challenging. Our butternut is being affected by fruit fly. What happens with the fruit fly is the fruit fly has a sharp ovipositor to poke a tiny hole in the young fruit skin and lays 10 to 50 eggs inside. You often won't see the hole at first. So after that, in 2 to 3 days, the eggs hatch into maggot. They feed inside the fruit, eating the flesh and leaving the tunnels full of waste. After that, you see that the fruits rot and fall down. The damage lets the bacteria and fungi in. The fruit turns yellow, gets soft, rots, and drops off before it matures. So that means as a farmer, you are losing every fruit that has been affected by a fruit fly. So you guys, when I'm talking about the market value, look at this fruit. This fruit has no market value because of this thing that you see here, this area. There is a hole and no one is going to buy this. Many people will refuse to buy this type of a fruit. Everyone wants to buy something of quality on the market. We all want quality. I'm going to give you some of the things that mess with farming even when you plan well. Weather, pest and disease, time and money. So if we talk about weather, guys, a week of too much rain and heat can undo a month of work because you cannot control the sky. Pest and disease, we have fungi, we have flies, and we have some worms. Those things are there and they come and they can attack your garden. And we have time and money. Sometimes you can identify the problem, what is going on in your garden, but the issue now is about money. Do you have money? Sometimes you go to work. As for me, sometimes I go to work, so I won't have time to do scouting on time. If I see that there is a problem, then I will have to make sure that tomorrow I have to spray the garden. But sometimes I won't be able to do that because of work. Sometimes you can identify what is the problem in your garden, but you won't have the right spray and fertilizer to apply in your garden. We have some sweet bananas here. Very soon we are going to eat these. Soon we are going to eat these bananas. There are some here, Tinashe. Did you see that? There are some here. Look at this one. These are sweet bananas. Kusera arikoma mwendo fu. We are going to try again next time. We are going to put butternut again so that we can see how it goes, how it works. And I think last time when we did 2 lines of butternut, they were so healthy, and we have managed to sell 30 kgs of butternut. So we thought, oh, let's try this time on a small piece of land. Maybe we can get something. But I'm sure we are going to harvest some butternuts from this garden, even though we are facing this challenge. It's a learning curve. We are learning, and we learn every day. Guys, don't forget to comment on this video. Give us some tips. What are we supposed to do when we are planting the butternuts? Look at the leaves. They are dry. This is too much. Oh. Failing, Jay. Do you want to get back? These are turning yellow. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.
See you next time.
Bye bye.